Everyone wants to look and be fit and healthy, but some people due to their bad food habits and sedentary lifestyle may gain extra body weight. After gaining extra weight they feel shy. Also there are many people who get depressed about extra body weight. But you should not worry. Instead you should take a healthy diet and do regular exercise that may keep you fit and healthy. So, today's topic is about 10 fruits and vegetables that can help in weight management or in reducing weight. Number 1. Apple. Apples are high in fiber and low in calories. They are also packed with flavonoids and vitamins which may help to burn belly fat. Pectin, a fiber present in apple breakdown, very slowly promotes satiety and helps you to binge less. So, apples are a very good choice for weight loss as they provide some very important vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which are beneficial for us. Number 2. Orange. Oranges are low in calorie, rich in fiber and high in vitamin and potassium content. Consumption of whole orange instead of juice can help in weight loss as the fiber content of orange may increase the satiety value. Number 3. Watermelon. Watermelons are approx 92% water and contain soluble fibers and various vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They also contain fat-burning amino acids called arginine. Due to the high water content they keep you hydrated and satiated for a long time period, hence they are a great snacks option for weight loss diet. Number 4. Strawberry. Strawberry is one of the most nutritious and delicious fruits. They are high in fiber, water, vitamin C and various antioxidants. Addition of strawberry in diet may help to burn the excess fat and provide proper nutrition. Number 5. Guava. Guava are extremely high in fiber content which gives a feeling of fullness for a long time and prevents you from snacking on often unhealthy foods, hence helping in weight loss. Guavas are also rich in vitamin C and E, lycopene and other antioxidants. All of them fight against oxidative damage and show anti-cancer activity. Number 6. Carrot. Carrots are a great choice if you want to lose weight. They are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber and keep you full for a long time. Carrots are also rich in various nutrients like vitamin A, calcium and vitamin K. Number 7. Chili pepper. Eating chili may aid in weight loss. Spicy food containing chili can help to reduce appetite and may help in increasing the metabolism due to the presence of a compound in chili named capsaicin. Number 8. Cucumber. They are a good option to include in a weight loss diet. As cucumbers are also known as negative calorie foods for weight loss, as 100 grams of cucumber provides only 16 calories. Cucumbers also provide some important electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. Number 9. Cauliflower and broccoli. They are high in fiber content and generally contain a decent amount of protein. The combination of protein, fiber and low-calorie content make them an amazing food option for weight loss. As well as they also contain some antioxidants, which is very beneficial for us. Number 10. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, lettuce are great for weight loss and provide other important nutrients also. They contain mainly fiber and water, hence they are a great option and also increase the satiety. Addition of a small amount of green leafy vegetables into the plate may help you to cut down some extra calories. Besides consumption of these high-fiber foods for weight loss, regular exercise, drinking plenty of water, sleeping for 7 to 8 hours, avoidance of processed and fried foods and less consumption of sugar and salt is very important for weight loss. So these were some fruits and vegetables that can help in reducing body weight. Did you like this video? Let us know in the comment. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you, have a good day.